Hi everyone. Right, members. This is for members, and I'm going to show you how to make this. It's just another flower filler. It's made from ribbon, and they are easy to do. Can be a little tricky till you get used to them, and you do waste a little bit of ribbon in the process, but you need to have it long enough to get the flower that you want, like that. So now that's dry. And there's a little flower filler made of different strands. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So I would take at least 3 inches of ribbon. Now I do have a video showing you how to make tassels similar to this using this ribbon. So one end will pull out, the other end won't. It's the way it's been done. So we'll just make sure we get the right end. I think that's the one that's going to pull out. You need to make sure it'll go from side to side. That's it. That's the one that will pull out. So you pull it out to about 1 centimetre. You see how it's starting to fray? Give you that tassel look. Well, if you want to make a tassel, you don't fold it. But to make the flower, you do. So it's just another way. I've just thrown my needle out there somewhere. Hang on. Sorry about that. I need that needle. I didn't want it. I've got wooden floors in here. I didn't want it to go down the slats. So yeah, and you can do this with most ribbons. So just keep pulling on it. I mean, you can roll that as is and make a flower. See, when you roll it and you get a flower. So you can do that particular one, or this one. Or you can make a tassel from it. And I have a video showing you how to make a ribbon tassel. And I found out how to do this by mistake. I cut some ribbon, pulled on the thread. And it started to do that, and I thought, oh, as you do. So I'm going to take that down to about there. And I'm just going to seal the ends. Might do it a little bit more, but I don't want mine too let's have a look. We'll take it to there. I don't want my petal to be too long. Oh, I've got glue all over me, scissors. So I'm just going to cut that. Now discard that out of the way, and then what you have to do is you take hold of all of it, try and get it as straight as you can, like that. Pinch it in the middle, and you need to take this that you've got down to one side. Doesn't matter which side. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on there to tuck that in, and then you start to roll. And I just do it a little bit and then glue it. And you need this to hold on so you can grip it. So hold on to it and just roll it. Now I have done these slightly smaller before today, you know, so this is not as big, but it is hard work. There. So now you've got like that kind of flower, and then all I did from there was I mean, I suppose you could use one of these. You can put anything in them, but I've just been using these because they're firm. So I poke that down the middle. Make sure it's going through. Oh, cut that end off first. Like that. Okay. Poke that down the middle. Or whichever way it'll go. Glue the end. And then you just stand it up like that, and you end up with little flowers that will go on any project like that. That could have been a little bit longer maybe, I don't know, but they are pretty fillers. So I'll do that again. Sorry about that, the battery ran out. Let me put that where I can see it. Oops. Take it a little bit further. That'll do. Get rid of all of that. I say turn it so the front's here, the back's here, and you just pull it together like that. Take hold of it in the middle, and you're going to kind of like turn it on itself. And then start to wrap. And just keep wrapping it. Like that. Trim that off. You can get rid of that. Got glue on my scissors now. Pop that in. You can find your centre yourself. You don't, you know, nothing to it. And then turn it upside down on your mat and do that. Now, we do sell a mat and we do sell the scissors. The lighters are due in any day now. I had notification they've just arrived in the country yesterday, so hang fire for those. They are pink. I thought I'll do us some pink ones, get some nice pink ones. They're not the rounded ones, they're the oval ones, flatter. I got one somewhere, but I can't find it. I'm gonna have to sort my room out. Anyway, so after, like I say, there's the other one that just dropped off the table before. So I'm going to add some glue to this one. Like that. Oops. And you'll be able to, because the wire, you can move these about. See, like that, and then I'm going to put another one. Oops, and you can keep building out. But I actually love them. I think they're ace. It depends what project you're doing to what you want to do with them, to be honest. Like that. I just think they look great. And that's another type of flower. And you could just build on and build on and build on. They'd look nice in a bouquet, wouldn't they? I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.